Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So in this video, I'm just providing the solution of this question. Bibbins Manufacturing produces softballs and baseballs for youth recreation leagues. Each softball costs $11 to produce and sells for $17, while each baseball costs 10.5 and sells for $15. So in this question, they have provided a tabular format of some of the information, and then we have three parts for this question. First one is A part, that the formulation of LP model. Then in B part, sketching of the feasible reason. And then C part covers the optimal solution. So I've provided the solution using Excel graphs and Excel formulas. So let me show you the Excel part. So this one is the part A, where I've used constants and variables for the formulation part. And then this one is the part B and part C, where the same part has been taken into consideration using Excel formulas and functions. And then this one is our graph. So this is also an Excel graph that I created here. And this one is our feasible reason. And these all are the constants that I covered from using this table. So to get this file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp or email. You can just, which I will be sharing in the description part of this video. And you can just mention the question number. And yeah, I will be sending you this Excel file. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.